Alright folks, what the hell is this? I mean, what the hell is in this bag? I bet you're wondering. Actually, I know. I already know what's in this bag right here. Now, a buddy of mine has donated a new piece of grilling weaponry. Inside this bag is a secret weapon when it comes to grilling and barbecuing. I'm not into violence anymore, but I am into barbecue, I am into grilling, I am into cooking. But there's a secret weapon in this bag right here that a buddy of mine has donated to the fight. And this dude brought this shit on the plane, right? Now listen, if you saw that bag right there, that's got to be the most scariest, shadiest, most, I don't know, most suspicious looking bag that I've ever seen in my life. And of course, he said the airlines were a little skeptical of this guy too. I mean, who wouldn't be? I mean, if somebody set that fucking bag down in front of me at an airport, I mean, it's every man for himself, folks. You gotta haul ass and live. So that is one scary ass bag, but it's a big ass grill. You had to put it in something. But that is one shady ass looking bag right there that my homeboy chose to transport this thing. It's got damn wiring and all that shit in it. I bet they x-rayed the hell out of this sumbitch for it. It went on the plane. Alright folks, give me a few minutes. I'm gonna get this thing out of this guy right here. Holy shit, that's funny. But I do have a new piece of barbecue weaponry that I'm about to bring into the mix, my friends. Hey, thanks for joining me. Alright folks, so I got this part out of the bag. I don't know what's scarier, looking at that camouflage or pulling this thing out like a damn body bag. Alright, so I'm still unwrapping this thing. Give me a few minutes. We finally got this beast out of that packaging. Here it is. It's a badass Weber electric grill, but right off the bat, it did sustain some battle damage coming through the airport. Those rant rats probably too scared of this thing anyhow. So we got a little bit of battle damage. We're gonna have to repair, fix that up. But overall, this is a quality piece of gear, folks. There's the back end. The back end looks pretty good. The leg's sitting here, but we sustained a little bit of damage. That it's gonna take some of my redneck skills, my engineering skills, to fix this. Take a look on the inside. That thing is solid. This is a solid piece of gear. Oh my goodness. So all we need is a little cleanup and a little bit of repair on this guy here. But I think I may have a plan for that. I think I got a plan for that, my friend. So I'm finna get medieval on this guy and clean this dude out first. That's gonna be my first order of battle. I got this bad boy cleaned up now. Check this dude out. This is my newest piece of barbecue weaponry. This guy's a Weber electric grill. I haven't plugged the plug in yet, but I got this joker cleaned up. Folks, this is heavy duty grades. The heaviest thing about this grill is the damn grades. I mean, they are solid. It's got a drip pan down below, a steel drip pan. Did take a little battle damage during the ride over here, but I got that propped up with a brick. that problem is solved. So I'm gonna fire this thing up and let it what do they call it, season, what I call it. Just make sure there's no more crap on the grill that gonna taint my meat. This joker is a trooper, folks. It may see some action tonight. I might send this into combat with some pork chops and vegetables. If not, it'll definitely be tomorrow. This joker's ready to go. Right, folks. I said I was seasoning it, but I think more better word is I'm sizzling it. So check it out. You got this plugged in over here. It is an outdoor grill. I washed that thing out, so that thing pops in there like a magazine on a handgun. So I got a proper temperature regulator now. I'm gonna take that bad boy up to 90 and burn my camera. We got heat coming off of this, and it's clean, but I'm still gonna sizzle it for a while. Make sure there are no impurities from the cleaning process to taint or otherwise mess with the flavor of my pork ribs and my pork chops. Okay, folks, newest piece of equipment right here, Weber grill. I've cooked on these things before and they are wonderful. I love the little red charcoal grill, but my wife is back in the village right now and I don't got the time every night, because I like to cook every night. But man, I ain't got the time every night to start that charcoal grill. Not here. In the village, I got no choice. But here, guess what? I turn that bad boy on. About 3 minutes later, things are going on the grill. Oh yeah, that's healthy eating right here. I'm thinking about going to the market.